Hey Keith, how are you today?
Very well, you, my friend. Wonderful.
Such a great day at the 1000 Bike Show with the Velocets.
On the Velocets, they are.
Are you the guy who rode the Velocet last year for 4,000 kilometers on the tour?
I am indeed.
The 350?
With you.
Great Balls of Fire. Your bike was on fire, I remember that.
It was.
Fantastic.
And I went down the handlebars at one stage as well.
You're the best. So tell me, are you coming to the Great Train Race? And is the Velocet club coming to the Great Train Race?
You couldn't keep me away.
Thank you.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Just to remind you, 27th of September, Heidelberg, Saturday morning. And we go on the tour, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, we're representing the Vintage Motorcycle Club. At the 1000 Bike Show this year. And we've got a beautiful display of all pre-1936 vintage motorcycles, which we hope to take along into the Great Train Race this year in Heidelberg. 27th of September. 27th of September. Yeah, it's an amazing day. I've been there for many years. And fantastic event. See you all there.
Die 27ste September is ons by die Great Train Race in Heidelberg in Gauteng. So maak seker jy kry vir jou kaartjie en kom kuier saam met ons.